Hi, I'm Kev Lavery, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the question library and the benefits of using it to create and store all the questions that you want to use for quizzes, self-assessments and surveys, instead of creating them as you go. Each unit has its own question library, which you can use to create a variety of questions, organise them into sections, and then import them into wherever you need them in this unit, quizzes, self-assessments or surveys.
Let's navigate to a unit's question library now. Select the Quizzes tool and then select Question Library. We have the option to create the question here, just sitting loose in the library, or we can put it in a section, which will be a little bit cleaner. I'm going to create a section for my CPR questions, so I'll select New and then select Section. I'll name it and give it a description. Now I have my new section. I'll select that section and then select New. I'm going to create a true or false question, so I'll select that. It's possible to give questions different points values, but I'd like all of mine to be worth the same, so I'm going to leave it as 1. We enter our text for the question in the HTML editor. This is a true or false question, so it needs to be a statement that could be true or false. This statement is true, so we need to make sure that we set the weighting as true. You have the option to add a hint or feedback, but with this example, I'm finished, so I'm going to select Save. This question is now in my CPR section in my question library, ready to be used in an assessment. I'll keep building this section so that I have enough questions to populate a quiz, and preferably more. That way I can ensure that my students are not all getting the same questions in the same order.